I had got some dinner at Zaxby's and I had went home and gave my husband his food. I was sitting down to eat and we were eating in the bedroom because we were watching a movie and having a little date night. And I was taking a bite of the taco and I all of a sudden started choking. I could not breathe, completely could not breathe. So I got out the little rubber chopsticks and I went down my throat with it and grabbed what I thought was the chicken, and I pulled it out and it was not chicken, it was a piece of plastic. A very big piece of plastic, big enough to completely block my airway where I couldn't breathe. It scratched the back of my throat, it scratched my tonsil, my right tonsil up at the top. The little part that connects your tonsil to your throat, it actually kind of disconnected part of that. It had to heal back together, so it's actually like not healed correctly. And that's what happened. So I had called Morgan & Morgan first to see if I could just ask questions, and they said, no, you can only ask questions if you have a consultation with us. And I was like, well, you guys are kind of far. She said, well, you can come in for a consultation. We can get somebody out there, but it's gonna be a little while. But you guys have Brooks, so why don't you guys go to Brooks because they're closer to you in Winter Haven. I said, well, that's a good idea. I will definitely do that. And then I called you guys right after. Oh, you guys are amazing. Every time you call, you get somebody on the phone. There's never a time that my phone call is not answered. There's never a time that I've had to leave a message. I've always spoken to the person that I needed to speak to right away. I've never had an issue with anybody answering me here. If I had a question or you guys calling me about something, I actually like all of you guys. You guys did very well. I was very well informed about every little aspect and details of the case. I was always informed. I would absolutely recommend you guys. I've already recommended you guys. There's nothing I would change. You guys were very, very fast and efficient. You guys worked very well. They've actually worked very hard on my case, and I appreciate it. Yeah, there's nothing that I would change.